Coffee cake for the coffee lovers. Let's see how we can make a delicious coffee cake. First, we can make a freshly brewed coffee and keep it aside. In a bowl, add flour, sugar, salt, and baking powder and beat the mixture very well. Into the mixture, add egg yolks, oil, vanilla extract, and our freshly brewed coffee. Beat on a medium speed until it becomes a smooth batter and keep it aside. Now we can whisk the egg whites by adding sugar gradually. Continue to beat until stiff peaks forms. Now we can combine egg whites and the egg yolk batter. Now we can pour the batter into the pan. Tap the pan to remove air bubbles. Place the pan into the preheated oven and bake for an hour. Can you guess the ingredients of this delicious frosting? Now our smooth and glossy frosting is ready for the decoration. Our delicious coffee cake is ready now. This cake is really very soft, spongy, and rich in coffee flavor. Please watch our Students Coffee Corner segment to hear about real feedback from our customers. Thanks for watching and do subscribe to our channel for more videos.